What's up guys, and welcome to Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to prepare for a Zoom meeting. Now, like any other meeting, you need to make sure you prepare adequately before you join or host a video conference or a virtual meeting in Zoom. You don't want to look shabby or to be scrambling to get your microphone to work or even trying to clear your messy background during the meeting. You want to be ready before you start. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your audio is in check. And by audio, I mean the speakers you'll be listening to and the microphone you're going to be talking into. Make sure they're all working. And fortunately, there's a tool inside Zoom that can help you do just that. So just launch Zoom and then go into settings by clicking on that and then go to audio. Now, right here, you're going to get a speaker test and a microphone test to make sure everything is working. So for the speaker test, all you need to do is, first of all, make sure you have the right speaker for your output. And then you want to test that speaker by clicking here, and it's going to produce a sound to make sure you can hear. So click on that. You should be able to hear the sound from your speakers at this point. Then you can stop once you're comfortable. If you can't hear properly, you can increase the volume, and if it's too loud, you can reduce the volume from here. Now for the microphone, you can already see that it's detecting my voice as I speak, but you can actually increase the sensitivity of the microphone so that it captures a higher frequency of my voice, or even reduce if it's getting distorted and everything. And to test the mic, click on test mic, and it should record my voice as I speak right now. And when I stop, it's going to replay my voice and you should be able to hear that. If you can't hear that, then it means there's something wrong with your microphone. So make sure the microphone is working. On this drop down arrow is where you select which microphone you want to use in case you have more than one connected to your computer. And a couple of more settings here that you need, but the most important are speaker and microphone to make sure those are working. So that's audio. Now the next thing you need to make sure you check is video. If you're planning to do a video meeting in Zoom, then you need to make sure your setup is ready. So first of all, make sure you prepare yourself by, putting on something appropriate for the kind of meeting you're gonna have. For instance, if you're used to being in a suit at the office, then maybe you could put one on or something close to a suit so that you don't look too different from your normal work clothes. You don't really have to take a shower, but fix your face, comb your hair, that sort of thing. And then make sure you get proper lighting. The key to a good and clear video usually comes down to proper lighting. So just make sure you sit somewhere where you're getting enough light on your face, like facing towards a window, or if you have one of those portable ring lights, those ones work too. Also, make sure your camera is sitting slightly above your eye level so that you kind of have to look up to look into it. That helps to keep your chin up and to keep your eyes wide open so that you look alert and interested in the meeting. And then the background is also an important part of your video feed. The last thing you want is dirty dishes in the background or dirty laundry or even your roommate just walking by during your meeting. So just make sure you choose a spot with a good background that you and your teammates will be proud of. But you can also use some virtual backgrounds provided by Zoom. All you need to do is go to Zoom again, then go to settings, and then go to virtual background. And then from here, as you can see, this is my default background, the way it looks right now. But then you can also use one of these backgrounds or this or even that to, just cover whatever is happening in your background. And then you can also use your own custom backgrounds, your own custom images, or even video for your background. I've done a whole separate video on Zoom background, so you can check that out. I'll link it at the end of this video if you're interested in that. So with the audio and video checked and ready, make sure you prepare your meeting material. These are the contents and subject matter of the meeting. So if you're going to discuss a group email that was sent or a memo, then you need to make sure you read it through beforehand so that you don't have to read it during the meeting. If you have a presentation or an Excel sheet or even a Word document or anything else you want to share on your screen during the meeting, then make sure you have all those things open and ready so that you don't have to, scramble through your computer to try and find them and open them during the meeting. You need to have them ready and minimized to your taskbar beforehand. Also, if you're planning to share anything on your screen, then make sure you understand more about screen sharing before you start the meeting. Make sure you understand how to switch from different windows, how to pause screen sharing when you need to, so you can get into screen sharing before and look at some basic and advanced features of screen sharing beforehand. Maybe let me know if you want a video exclusively about screen sharing on Zoom down in the comment section below. Anyway, with those three main things ready, that's audio and video and material, then you're probably ready for a Zoom meeting generally. But you can also polish up your preparation by learning a few extra things like how to mute your voice and other people's voices during the meeting you host, some keyboard shortcuts, how to schedule meetings, how to record meetings in Zoom, things like that, and you'll be more than ready for a Zoom meeting. Anyway, that's how to prepare for a Zoom meeting. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.